Hi, I'm Kristi with Northwoods Silver, located in northern Idaho. I've been silversmithing for about a year. I took a few classes at Harold's Studio, which I love learning there. And then I just set up my own home studio in my basement. This is where I do most of my work, but the soldering I do out in our garage. So I'm going to show you a few of my favorite tools that I use on a daily basis. My rawhide mallet, love this guy, definitely would recommend it for any silversmith. A ring clamp, definitely a necessity. These flat nose pliers, I use these to make sure my bezels are nice and flat so the soldering joints can come together easily. I use these every single time that I'm working, so I would highly recommend a good pair of those. Of course, my bench block, use this guy, again, every time I'm working. And then finally, another one of my favorites is this black silicone wheel. So it really cleans things up nicely, especially after I'm filing something and I just want a really smooth edge. I will use this black silicone wheel before I put everything in the tumbler just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Another thing I want to mention is I have two bench blocks or bench pins that you might have noticed. I use this guy mainly for a lot of my filing work. I feel like it gets a little bit more sturdy and I can get the details better. And then this guy I use for drilling. I can put my earring posts in here and set the stone that way. So that's just a personal preference that I like. So yeah. And then this is a collection that I'm working on for a retail location. So it's all stone earrings. I have some white buffalo, regular turquoise, some jasper, malachite. Yeah, so just a bunch of fun things. Over here is my still work in progress. And then these are some of the completed pieces. Thanks so much for visiting my studio. Hope you guys have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're excited to bring you more DIY metalsmithing videos in the future.